Hello everyone, welcome to EDUA 516, Instructional and Transformational Leadership. My name is Will Netterson and I am your adjunct professor, instructor for the next 8 weeks, 9 because of the 1 week for Thanksgiving, which is an off week, but it's a total of 9 weeks that we'll be together in this course. I am looking forward to working with you. I believe some of you are just joining Concordia and your journey into the master's program, as well as some of you might have already taken one class, and this is just a class to make up to catch up with the cohort as well. Either way, I look forward to getting to know you and being able to work with you. The focus of this course is looking at both the instructional side and transformational side of leadership. So leadership is leading, whether it's as a school site leader or principal, it can be a teacher leader, it can be a peer leader, and all of that, all those represent different ways that we can lead. And we're going to talk about the different theories, different strategies that are used in leadership to bring about change, to reform, transform in a group or an organization, as well as looking at in instructional leadership, what we need to do to impact our students in our community and look at working with them to really guide the instruction that's taking place on our campus. This course offers a lot of different opportunities. One of them is going to be an interview with an instructional leader as well as a business leader that we're going to ask you to find and reflect on. You're also going to be working on a reform strategy towards the end of this in a group. We're also going to look at the culture of schools and the climate of schools. You'll be reading more about that during these weeks as well. And just hopefully having a good time being honest and reflecting with each other as well. So I want to give you a little background about myself. Again, I've already shared it's Will Netterson. Please call me Will through a text or a phone call. Don't hesitate to call me anything else but Will, please. With that being said, I've been in education for 22 years now. I'm currently in administration as a coordinator of adult education for the Tustin Unified School District. I just started that this school year. Prior to that, for the past 11 years, I've been an elementary school principal. I was for 1 year an assistant principal at a middle school, 3 years as a teacher on special assignment at the district office level, and then 6 years as a teacher in the elementary grades. You can read more about that on my background and informational piece right here. I look forward to getting to work with you in our live sessions. There are a total of 4 live sessions. Our first one is coming up on Monday. Our live sessions will always be on Mondays in weeks 1, 3, 5, and 8. I just felt like you needed the visual there, I guess. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email. You'll see the email address right there. Concordia asked that we use our email address. You're welcome to text me. My only request is if you're going to text me on my cell phone, that you say, "Hi, this is so-and-so from your EDU 516 class." Well, again, I hope that you have a great week. Look forward to seeing you Monday night. God bless.